In this video, I will show you how can you fix Steam credit card decline by company. So basically this guy said here, that's because they cannot sell you anything. He was referred to Steam. It will be the same if you got the same error elsewhere. Vendors cannot tell you anything as to why it was refused. They only know vague stuff. They get a line of data that shows things like the card number, your name, the transaction ID, and so on. That's a basic security, obviously. So you can only find out through your bank. So basically, the only helper here is your bank. It could be that your bank has some automatic lockout using Steam, as a lot of banks do that if they have recently experienced a high number of problems with the service. Staff might not know that upfront, so push the issue, as you can see here. From what I see in this community post, some guys was resolve this problem with the bank. I hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos.